Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, reviewing the new Garmin Enduro 3. This is the latest adventure in endurance smartwatch from Garmin. It's made for athletes, ultrarunners, and anyone who pushes their limits outdoors. The Enduro series is all about extreme battery life and rugged features. With the Enduro 3, Garmin takes it even further. We've been testing this watch for a while, and there's a lot to say. So let's get into it. The first thing you notice when you pick up the Enduro 3 is how tough it feels. This watch is built like a tank. It comes in two main versions, one with a titanium bezel and one with a carbon-grade DLS coated titanium bezel. Both feel solid but lightweight. The fiber-enforced polymer case adds strength without adding bulk. The buttons are metal and feel clicky and durable. There's no touchscreen here, and honestly, that's a good thing for this type of watch. Physical buttons work better in harsh environments like mud, rain, or snow. The watch is also water-rated to 100 meters, so you can swim, shower, and sweat without worry. The nylon strap is soft yet strong. Stays snug on the wrist even during long runs or hikes. Overall, the design is very functional. It's not flashy, but it's clearly made for serious use. The display on the Enduro 3 is a sunlight visible transflective memory in pixel screen. It's not old or AMOLED, but that's on purpose. Garmin chooses this kind of display for battery savings and visibility in bright light, and it works really well. You can read it easily in direct sunlight. Even in overcast conditions or low light, it holds up well. The screen size is around 1.4 inches, and the resolution is good enough for data reading. It's not made for watching videos or rich graphics. Instead, it's made for quick glances at stats and maps. It also supports always-on display, which is useful during workouts. The backlight is adjustable, and you can set it to activate with a wrist raise. It's a practical display made with outdoor use in mind. In terms of performance, the Enduro 3 is a beast. It uses the latest Elevate V5 heart rate sensor. It's more accurate even during intense training. GPS tracking is fast and reliable. It supports multiple satellite systems like GPS GLONASS and Galileo. The new multiband GNSS feature improves location accuracy, especially in tough terrain like canyons or forests. There's also a barometric altimeter, compass, gyroscope, and thermometer. You get very precise elevation data and weather tracking. Everything loads quickly. Menus scroll smoothly. The watch doesn't lag or freeze. Garmin also includes a new skin temperature sensor, which helps with health tracking. For workouts, the Enduro 3 supports nearly every activity you can think of: running, trail running, mountain biking, skiing, swimming, rowing, hiking, and more. It tracks metrics like VO2 max, recovery time, real-time stamina, and even hill score and endurance score. This is a serious tool for athletes. On the software side, Garmin's system is simple but full of options. It doesn't try to act like a smartwatch from Apple or Samsung. It focuses on fitness and outdoor features, customizable, and you can set up watch faces to show the data you care about. Garmin Connect is the companion app. It syncs all your data and gives deep insights. You can track long-term trends, compare past workouts, and see maps of your routes. The Enduro 3 also supports Garmin Pay, so you can make contactless payments. Music storage is built in, and you can load up playlists from Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon Music. It works with wireless headphones, so you don't need your phone during a run. Notifications from your phone also appear on the watch, but you can turn them off if you prefer. It even supports incident detection and live tracking, which are great for safety. The software is polished, fast, purpose-built for endurance users. Battery life is where the Enduro 3 really shines. It's one of the main reasons to buy this watch. With solar charging in normal use, Garmin claims you can get up to 50 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. In GPS mode, it goes up to 150 hours with solar. That's incredible. Even if you don't use solar, the battery life is still far ahead of most smartwatches. You can do week-long adventures, ultramarathons, or long hikes without worrying about charging. There are different battery modes you can enable depending on your needs. You can also see how each setting affects the battery. Charging is done through Garmin's proprietary cable. It's fairly quick, but you won't need to charge often. This kind of battery endurance is a game changer for outdoor athletes. When it comes to gaming or creative performance, that's not the focus here. The Enduro 3 isn't made to run apps, stream videos, or edit files. This is a watch made for athletes, not creators. However, its performance in GPS-based activities, advanced metrics, and tracking does serve creators who vlog their hikes, rides, or adventures. You can export GPS data, sync it to apps like Strava, and use it to enhance your creative work. But again, the Enduro 3 is best judged by how well it performs in fitness and outdoor tracking. And in that area, it's among the best. The speakers and audio features are minimal. The Enduro 3 doesn't have a built-in speaker for calls. It does support Bluetooth audio for music playback, so you can pair it with earbuds and listen to your stored music or streaming playlists. There are no fancy voice assistants or call answering options. That's by design. Garmin kept it simple and focused on durability and fitness. It does give sound alerts through beeps, which are useful for intervals and notifications. The vibrations are strong, so you won't miss alerts during training. Connectivity is solid. You get Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Ant+. It connects quickly to your phone and other devices. If you use bike sensors, heart rate straps, or power meters, it supports all of that. Syncing with Garmin Connect is smooth. Home apps and data load over Wi-Fi. There's also smartphone notification support, so you can get texts, calls, and app alerts. It doesn't have LTE or cellular built-in, but that's expected for a watch in this category. You also get Garmin Pay, which works at many stores with contactless terminals. As for price, the Garmin Enduro 3 starts at a premium level. Depending on the model you choose, it can cost over $1,000. It's expensive, no doubt. But for serious endurance athletes or people who train in extreme conditions, it offers unique value. You're paying for insane battery life, rugged build quality, accurate tracking, and a wide set of features tailored for adventure. If you're just looking for a daily smartwatch or step counter, this is not the best value. But if you need a watch that lasts for weeks, survives the wild, and tracks almost every stat imaginable, the Enduro 3 delivers. There are many pros to this watch. The build quality is top-notch. It's very rugged but still light on the wrist. Battery life is unmatched. You can go for weeks or even months depending on your use. GPS tracking is fast and accurate. The range of sensors is impressive. Get heart rate, temperature, barometer, compass, and more. The software is reliable and built for endurance sports. Garmin Connect gives deep insights, can store music and use contactless payments, supports almost every sport or activity. It's the ultimate companion for long adventures. There are also some cons. It's expensive. Not everyone will need this level of endurance. The display is functional, but not as colorful or sharp as old. It doesn't support third-party apps. Like a Wear OS watch or Apple Watch, no touchscreen may bother some users. There's no speaker for calls or assistant. Garmin Pay doesn't work everywhere, and if you're not into ultra sports, you won't use half of the features. So it's not for casual users, but for the right user, it's a powerful tool. So, here's the final verdict. The Garmin Enduro 3 is a watch made for serious athletes and explorers. It's not flashy. It's not a daily fashion piece. It's a tool strong, reliable, and long-lasting. If your idea of a weekend is running 50 miles, biking up mountains, or hiking for days, this watch is perfect for you. The battery life alone makes it stand out. The sensors and tracking are highly accurate. Garmin has refined the software and hardware to match real-world use. If you want a watch that survives where others fail, and if you care more about function than fashion, then the Enduro 3 is one of the best adventure watches money can buy. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We cover the latest in smart tech, wearables, and more. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Garmin Enduro 3 and if it's the right fit for your adventures.